It's a big world, great places to go, people to meet, good times to be had. The one thing that you need to get going is your passport to math.
Let's begin our discussion today with the elements of addition. There are some basic rules to remember. I had to learn them. You're going to have to learn them too. Oh, but how could I forget the rules? I used them every day when I was on my vacation in Australia. You see, it all started when I was packing for my trip. I don't know. Maybe I'm overpacking. I don't know. I'm not sure what to take or what I'll need. I mean, what if the weather is cooler than unusual? I'd better take a sweater, I know, and some heavy socks. That'll do it. My new shoes. My new shoes are really perfect. That's it. They're perfect. But suppose they're too tight. Well, then I better take my old boots just in case they're too tight. And my snow boots. Well, you never know what could happen there. There you go. Well, now that I've added more to what I was taking originally, there's a lot more here than when I started. I'm going to need another suitcase. Right, Muffy? That's what I'm going to need. I'm going to need another suitcase. Well, maybe I'll need 2. Oh, or even 3 suitcases. Oh, this isn't easy, Muff. This really isn't easy. And then, there's that empty suitcase to bring back all those souvenirs I want to buy in Australia. That's going to add to what I'm carrying and make it even more. Or maybe what I could do is...
Addition increases amounts just like 1 and 1 make 2. When you add 2 numbers together, you get a larger one when you're through. Addition increases amounts just like 2 and 2 make 4. You add 2 numbers together, and when you're finished, there's always more.
So when I think of all those suitcases and all that packing, it's easy for me to remember that when you add, you have more than when you began. Have you ever had something and added to it, and then had more?
When my mom puts peas on my plate. When I put money in my piggy bank. When I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
When you add more to what you already have, you end up with more than you started with. Now, if you keep adding more items, the amount keeps increasing and becomes larger.